Technology is part of everything we do at Coal Valley Christian Schools. From preschool to 12th grade, arts to athletics, teachers are training students how to use various modes of technology to compute, calculate, strengthen, learn, build, and innovate. Having updated technology is critical not only for teaching skills, but also for streamlining classroom time. When systems are slow, batteries die quickly, or systems cycle due to a lack of storage, instruction time is interrupted, and learning potential is compromised. You can help us fund replacement and upgraded technology as needed to ensure the most effective learning in all our classrooms. Give to help us most effectively educate our kids with current technology through our year-end giving at coalvalleychristian.org.